Welcome to Touch Technology Review. Today I'm going to show you how to make videos for IGTV, which for those of you who haven't quite worked it out yet stands for Instagram TV. IGTV is a growing platform for long-form videos which are viewable right within the native Instagram app itself and also on the new standalone IGTV app. I've heard a lot of stats about how video is becoming more and more prevalent, and the latest figures indicated that by 2021, as much as 78% of mobile traffic data will be video. So you can see how important it is for platforms like Instagram to tap into video and provide you with the ability to promote your brand and grow your audience with video content. Instagram could have just tried to rip off YouTube, but clearly it had no chance of replicating the success of the originator, which is the go-to platform for viewing entertainment, educational, and inspirational content. So instead, Instagram has come up with a new way of presenting video and promoting them in a discovery format. As of September 2019, it now allows creators to upload video from 1 minute up to 15 minutes in duration when uploading from a mobile device. And thanks to recent updates, anyone can upload content as long as 1 hour via a web browser on a desktop machine. Previously, this was restricted to accounts with 10,000 followers or more. At first, when IGTV was launched in 2018, you had to upload your video in portrait format as the UI was really focused on providing full screen video when holding the phone vertically, which, let's face it, is how most people use their phones, not only when consuming content, but more and more so when taking photos and creating vlog style videos. Recently though, Instagram made some changes to the specifications for video, and now you can upload regular 16:9 horizontal crop videos rather than 9:16 portrait. So the choice is now yours. Either way is fine, and I'll show you how to edit both formats at a later stage in this video. The first thing I want to check out is which software you can use directly on your phone or desktop computer to edit videos on IGTV. If you're an iPhone user, I'm going to recommend a few apps to consider. The first is iMovie, which is a great video editor that lets you cut clips, create transitions and typography, add backing music as well as voiceover tracks. You can even apply green screen effects to knock out backgrounds to make you look like you're in an entirely different location. So a great app all round. The only thing is that at the time of recording this video, iMovie only edits in the horizontal 16:9 format and not portrait mode. So if you want an app that does pretty much everything that iMovie does, but allows you to create portrait crop videos, I'm going to suggest that you take a look at vMaker, which is currently free on the Apple App Store, and I'm told an Android version is on the way. Another one to consider is Premiere Rush, which is not as comprehensive in its feature set as the previous two, but a solid editor which lets you create in both orientation, and that is also available for free. For those of you wanting to edit on your desktop computer, I'd recommend a couple of options for both Mac and Windows. If you have the Adobe Creative Cloud, then you can use Premiere, which has a comprehensive range of filters and effects to allow you to create the most professional video. It also integrates quite nicely with After Effects for animation and Audition for sound optimization. If you want a free option, try iMovie for macOS, and if you're on Windows, DaVinci Resolve, which is a fully featured pro video editor that will take care of any situation. There's a paid option with more extensive features, but the base software will be more than enough for most edits. Remember that you are competing against thousands of new videos being uploaded every minute, so be sure to put a fair effort into creating a dynamic and eye-catching edit. Before I wrap this one up, a final note on formatting your video. Now that Instagram allows the more conventional horizontal crop, you can really go either way. However, having said that, there is a certain merit to the idea of creating your videos in that portrait orientation. After all, Instagram content has traditionally been consumed via a vertical scroll. So you could argue that the user base is not always accustomed to or willing to rotate their phones just to see your videos. Also, within the platform, you'll command more screen real estate in the portrait mode, as when you tap on the video preview, the content will fill the screen instantly without the need to rotate. I know I spent a lot of time discussing this, but it's really important to understand the pros and cons of each of these orientations. In terms of the duration of the videos, as mentioned, you can upload videos to any length up to 15 minutes. Now, if you go over by even 1 second, the upload will be rejected. So make sure you get the length right. Now that you have your video ready to upload, let's take a look at how to upload your video into IGTV. If you try and upload a video into the Instagram app itself, the way you've always uploaded photos and videos, you'll only be able to upload videos of 1 minute duration and they don't appear on IGTV, the discovery page, or the IGTV app itself. So there are two methods to upload your long form videos into IGTV. The first is to download the IGTV app on your phone, sign in and connect it to your Instagram account. Then you can open IGTV and tap on the large plus button on the top right of the screen. You can then add a video directly from your camera roll, tap the next option, select the cover image by scrolling on the video at any point at the base of the screen, tap next again, add your title, and make sure you include a detailed description, including any relevant hashtags to allow your content to be discovered. You have the option of creating a series similar to the way you create highlights in stories to group your content into categories. You can leave the post a preview toggle highlighted in blue so that your IGTV post appears on the timeline of your Instagram feed instantly. You can edit the preview, which is a small loop that is shown in the preview page, and also your profile cover. And the final option allows you to make the video visible in your story on Facebook. Unfortunately, once you've edited the video and published, you can't go back in and change the cover. So make sure you get that one right. As I said earlier, thanks to this new 2019 update to Instagram TV, we can now upload content as long as 1 hour, but you can't do it via the mobile phone app. So in order to do so, you need to navigate to your Instagram account using a web browser on a desktop computer, be it a Mac or Windows computer. So you go to instagram.com/your Instagram handle. In my case, it's instagram.com/touch technology. You may have to log in with your username and password. You'll see your account appear on the page. Click on the IGTV icon, which appears in a submenu just underneath your story highlights, and then click on the upload button. Use the plus button on the left-hand side to upload your video. Your video will start uploading. It's going to take some time, especially if it is as long as 1 hour. You do have some restrictions on the file size, so keep that in mind. Whilst the video is uploading, you can proceed to enter in the details on the right. So you can put in a title, description, as I mentioned earlier, a full detailed description, including any hashtags. And you've got the similar option that we saw in the Instagram app itself, where you can select post a preview to ensure that it will share this IGT video on your Instagram timeline, and also an option to share it onto your Facebook page. And just above these details, you also get an option to enter a unique cover, which will appear as the thumbnail image for your IGTV video. It needs to be a JPEG or in PNG format, and the minimum recommended size is 492 pixels by 762 pixels. The interesting thing to note here is that you need to upload a vertical crop thumbnail, even if you have a horizontal crop video. And that's for the benefit of providing a full screen thumbnail preview of your video when people are browsing through the IGTV interface. So now that we've got all of the behind the scenes creative process out of the way, let's take a look at the UI and how your viewers can see your new long form video content. When you upload your video, Instagram will play only 1 minute of that video on your Instagram page and allow viewers to tap on the IGTV icon to view the full video at any time whilst watching the preview. For those finding your content on the Discover page of IGTV within their Instagram app, or if they are using the dedicated IGTV app, as soon as they tap on the thumbnail, the full video will begin to play. So there you have it. All you need to know to create videos for IGTV on Instagram. This is a fast evolving space, so I'm sure in the months to come, there will be more changes and enhancements made to the platform. So be sure to subscribe to the channel to be notified when I produce further updates on this topic. Also, as always, if you need any clarification on anything I've shown you today, feel free to ask questions in the comments box below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. You've been watching Touch Technology Review. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.